Let's look at the Hands-on Equations Level 1 app. Let's go to the menu of lessons. Notice that different students can use the same app. Let's go to Henry. Each lesson begins with an instructional video, followed by 2 practice examples and 10 exercises. Let's go to Lesson 3, Part B, so that we get an idea of how the app works. Let's set up this equation. The x's are represented by blue pawns. So 5x is going to be represented by 5 blue pawns. So let's set those up. So you have 5x's plus 2. 2 is a constant. On the right side, we have 2x's. Plus means we need to place onto the scale 14. So let's place a cube of 10 and a cube of 4. Now we can solve just the same way we do with the concrete pieces. We can perform a legal move. Let's take away an x from each side of the balance scale. Let's do that a second time. And let's take away 2 value from each side. The 4 becomes a 2, or the 14 becomes a 12. Now we see that 3 blue pawns are 12, therefore each one is equal to 4. To do the check, we clear the board and we reset the original problem one more time. So we have our 5x's plus 2. And on the right side, we have our 2x's plus 14. If you evaluate each side, you will see that 5 fours is 20 and 2 is 22. So this side is 22. And on the right side, 4 and 4 is 8, and 10 is 18, and 4 is 22. Okay, so that's the idea of how the app works, and the app does give you feedback if the check is not correct, and so on. Once you click OK, you go on to the next practice lesson, and once you finish with that, then you're ready to do the examples on the practice exercises, which are the same as those on the worksheet. So this is a very nice tool to use for home instruction, for home learning.